Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to understand one-point perspective in a simple and detailed way. One-point perspective is a basic drawing technique used to show depth and distance on a flat surface. First, we draw a horizontal line. The horizontal line represents our eye level, meaning how high or low we are looking at the object. Now, on this horizontal line, we mark one point, which is called the vanishing point. Next, we draw the front face of the object. This front face stays flat and does not move towards the vanishing point. In one-point perspective, there is only one vanishing point, and all the lines that move away from us will go towards this point. From the corners of this front face, we draw light guidelines connecting them to the vanishing point. These lines help us decide how deep the object will look. Once a depth is decided, we draw the back edges. This method is commonly used for drawing roads, rooms, corridors, and objects facing straight towards us. That's the basic idea of one-point perspective. Now let's move on to two-point perspective. Two-point perspective is also used to create depth and realism, but here we use two vanishing points. First, we draw a horizontal line, just like before. On this horizontal line, we mark 2 points, one on the left and one on the right. These are our vanishing points. In two-point perspective, we do not draw the front face flat. Instead, we start by drawing the corner of the object. From this corner, the lines of one side go towards the left vanishing point and the lines on the other side go towards the right vanishing point. This creates depth on both the sides and makes the object look more realistic. After deciding the width and depth, we close the shape and clean the extra lines. Two-point perspective is commonly used for buildings, houses, boxes, and objects viewed at an angle. This technique helps drawing look more three-dimensional and natural. So this is the difference between one-point and two-point perspective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.